Hi there, I'm Angela Weinberger. I call myself the Global Mobility Coach, and I'm very happy that we are going to have the SIETAR Switzerland conference in Lucerne this year. Um, why? First of all, it's going to be our 10-year anniversary, and I'm one of the founding members of SIETAR Switzerland. So we're looking back to 10 years of SIETAR. Also, in 2023, I published my latest workbook, which is called The Global Rockstar Album 21 Verses to Find Your Tact as an Inclusive Leader. And I have a feeling it aligns so well with the motto of the conference, Intercultural Leadership. I think we need it now more than ever this year with everything that is going on in the world. We need hope, we need leadership, we need interculturality. And finally, I'm also excited about the keynote speakers and all the excellent presenters that will be present at the conference. It's like the who is who of interculturalism will be in Lucerne in a beautiful location. If you get a chance, join us. And I look forward to meeting you there. Thank you.